Hey guys, Adam Frimmer here from DIYPhotography.net. We're joined here by Dale from SmallHD. He's going to be showing us the latest and greatest in wireless video transmission. Check it out.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2019 is sponsored by SERP, Better Films, Zion, a gimbal for everyone, Manfrotto, Imagine More, and Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
All right, Dale, what's up, man? What do you got for us?
Yeah, so I'm holding here the Focus Bolt 500 RX, right, which is essentially our most affordable entry-level wireless monitor receiver combination product that we make, right? So this is essentially a Focus 5 monitor, which has been very popular from SmallHD for a couple of years now. And we've taken a Bolt 500 RX receiver, we've embedded it into the monitor, and so essentially this is a really, really lightweight, pocketable, wireless on-the-go receiver, monitor receiver that is just really, really fun to use because it's 800 nits, so it's not like the brightest monitor we make, but it's bright enough to see outside, and it's just so light and so small. I mean, if you hold this thing, it's like nothing. And most people have, if you've ever been on set, especially ones a couple of years ago now, you'd see someone with the director's monitor, 7-inch or something like that, with like a cage and a bracket and a receiver on that thing, and then like an Anton Bauer battery on it. It's just this enormous thing. And this thing just takes all of that and distills it down into something extremely high value. And so the cool thing here at the IBC is we're running a promotion, a really aggressive promotion right now on the Focus Bolt 500 RX for $11.99. We also make a transmitter version of this. So this has 3 antennas. It's a receiver. We have a 2-antenna transmitter version, which pairs obviously directly with this, and will pair with anything else, in the Teradek 500 series. Anyway, but that's $9.99. So essentially, you could buy a transmitter and a receiver version of this with the monitor, all included, for $2,100 right now. And then we also sell a Teradek Ace and Focus Bolt 500 RX combo, and that's a cheap. So it doesn't have the monitor on the transmitter side, right? So it's a little bit cheaper. It's probably gonna be $400 or $500 cheaper. So you're talking around $1,600 for that. So for like a zero latency 500-foot wireless system, it's outdoor viewable. It's pretty darn good.
That's pretty impressive. Yeah. So how do you think like a small crew could take advantage of something like this?
Oh yeah, I mean, I actually just recently shot a video for a personal project, right? And of course, I get to use all this really cool gear. And I actually had a Focus 5 TX on my camera, right? And just from spending so many years doing like small indie shoots where you have like 2-3 people doing everything, I was actually also in the video, and so like it's really, really annoying to have to run over to the camera, see what it looks like, run over, adjust a light or whatever, then run back over the monitor. Being able to actually walk over around the set and adjust things and look at it in real time is so nice. It's a huge luxury that once you have, you just you wonder how you ever lived without it. You know what I mean? So It really is game changing.
So I've worked with Teradek a lot as well, and one of my favorite things is that they're pretty good on battery. What are we expecting from a SmallHD?
Yeah, I mean that's the beauty of this, right? Is again the monitor itself is already really good on power. I don't know the exact runtime on this particular battery, but the monitor and the monitor and receiver combo itself, I think is going to run at around 12 watts, which is pretty darn good.
That's amazing.
Yep. Yeah, SmallHD is something we obsess over, is things that other companies don't, which is like boot time, right? We want our monitors to start up really fast. Yeah. The power efficiency is another one. We optimize our system as much as we possibly can to make it run on the lowest power possible. And so the Focus, I think, is around 5 watts, and then the receiver part is like 6 or 7.
Cool. Yep. Well, really cool product. Looking forward to using it in the field a bit. That was Dale from SmallHD. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Don't forget, guys, we have a $5,000 Cinegear giveaway. You can read more about it in the description below. Till then, Adam Frimmer, DIYPhotography.net, and stay tuned for some more content here at IBC 2019.